Hello, children. This is Disha ma'am, and yes, we are going to learn English. What did we do yesterday? Yesterday, we completed the loud reading of chapter number 8, that is adventure. Today, I'll be explaining you this chapter. As you know, yesterday जो मैंने briefing किया था उससे आपको पता चल गया होगा. This chapter is about a person called Sinbad. Right, so let us start with today's session and I'll be explaining the chapter 8 today. Chali, open up the book now. It's on page number 120. Chali, what kind of adventure do you think Sinbad and his sailors would have in this story? Why is the island referred to as a strange? Right, the chapter's name is The Strange Island, as I told you yesterday. Right, Sinbad and the Strange Island. So why do you think इसको strange कहा है? Let us see in this story. चलिए, page number 120. Once Sinbad and his sailors were sailing in search of new lands and treasures. After 7 days and 7 nights of sailing, they found nothing. Right? They were sailing in search of new lands and treasures. तब क्या था? Aeroplanes नहीं थे, तो they used to go on a voyage. Voyage is what it is. Yesterday, as I explained you, it is an adventure trip, generally done on a ship in the water. Right? पानी में जो कोई ship निकलती है या कोई boat निकलता है to travel somewhere, right? When the destination is not told. तो ऐसी जगह पे जब हम जाते हैं, कुछ ढूंढने जाते हैं, कुछ नया सर्च करने जाते हैं, that is known as a voyage. So Sinbad and his sailors, साथ में ट्रूप जो था, they all were sailing for treasures or lands. For 7 consecutive days and nights, they found nothing. उनको कुछ मिला नहीं. There was water in every direction as far as the eye could see. Then, one afternoon, a crew member, what is crew member? Last year we had a chapter. उसमें इसका नाम, word we explained. Crew member. Crew member is something who is working with you, team member. Right? So then one afternoon, a crew member said, "Land, ahoy!" He was pointing to his right. The other sailors looked where he was pointing. The sailors at once cheered up on seeing a small island in that direction. Right? One afternoon, what happened? That sailor, that one of the crew member, shouted that he had founded a land. He had found a place, island. So they all were very happy that finally we will find something from that land. They were surprised because no one had seen an island in this part of the sea. The island was a joy to behold. It was covered with small bushes, big trees and rare plants. Right? जब दूर से देखा that island, it was a beautiful scenario, beautiful view. It was covered with small bushes, big trees were there, and some plants were there. They promptly dropped anchor near the island. Sinbad, along with a handful of sailors, took a small boat and rowed towards the island. The rest of the sailors and the captain chose to stay on the boat. They were being cautious. See, now you can see these words promptly. Promptly माने बहुत जल्दी, quickly. Right? जैसे टिफ़िन का ब्रेक पड़ता है, टिफ़िन रिसेस का बेल रिंग होता है and you start running like anything, right? So that is promptly. They promptly dropped the anchor. Anchor माने जिससे ship वहाँ पे stable रह जाए. So that anchor near the island, Sinbad along with a handful of sailors. Handful माने a very few. Right? When I take the books to the classroom, I have a handful of kids with me. So maybe possibly 2-3 kids are with me if I'm collecting the whole class book. Yeah. So handful means very few. They took a small boat and rowed towards the island. वो एक छोटी सी बोट में वहाँ पे आइलैंड तक गए. क्योंकि द प्लेस वॉज फार अवे फ्रॉम देयर, सो दे एंकर्ड द शिप, उन्होंने शिप वहीं एंकर किया, एंड दे टुक अ बोट एंड दे वेंट. द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेलर्स एंड द कैप्टन चोज टू स्टे ऑन द बोट. सी हियर, इट इज द past tense of choose, chose, choose, chose, chose is the past tense. So they chose to stay on the boat. They were being cautious. Cautious is very careful. हाँ भाई, सब सिंबाद जैसे दिलेर नहीं होते. कोई लगता है कि नहीं, मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, तुम तुम्हारे जाके आओ, मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, है ना, राइट. चलिए, so understood this paragraph. What does this paragraph say? This says that one Sinbad and a sailors went for a sailing, right? After 7 days and 7 nights, they did not find anything. One afternoon, one of the crew members shouted, "Land, ahoy!" And they saw a small island which was looking very beautiful. Next, what they did, they anchored their ship and they took a boat, and Sinbad, along with some crew members, went to that island. Done? Chaliye, next paragraph. On arriving, the sailors saw no animals on the island. One of the sailors said, "It's clear the island is ours. Let's name it. Leave it for later. First, we will cook. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse," exclaimed Sinbad. Now, I could eat a horse is, I सच में घोड़ा खा जाएगा इमनी. I could eat a horse means that he was so hungry, so very hungry that, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, हिंदी में कहावत होगी, आपको मुहावरे होंगी, पेट में चूहे दौड़ना. तो पेट में सच्ची के थोड़ी चूहे दौड़ेंगे आपके, नहीं दौड़ेंगे ना, राइट. सो इन सेम वे, आई कुड ईट अ हॉर्स डज नॉट मीन कि मैं हॉर्स खा जाऊंगा. क्लियर? So one of the persons started telling that the island is very beautiful, let us name this island and all. But then Sinbad told that we will do afterwards. First, cook for ourselves because I am very hungry. The sailors began collecting wood to start a fire. Sinbad wanted to collect herbs to put in his dish. He went inside a dense forest. Strange, he said. He saw plants with pear-shaped fruits, trees with blue and yellow leaves, and flowers much bigger than a human. See, what did he saw? See the picture and match it. He saw plants with a pear-shaped fruit. उन्होंने ऐसे plants देखे जो pear shape के fruit bear कर रहे थे. They were having pear-shaped fruit. It's there in the picture over here, but it's not visible. So pear-shaped माने पेरू जैसे shape वाले fruit थे. Trees with blue and yellow leaves. As you can see, the leaves were blue and yellow, right? And flowers much bigger than a human. See, they were such big flowers. Human से भी बड़े वाले flowers थे. The forest had so many exotic plants and flowers that Sinbad did not know from where to start. Right? Exotic माने very different. कभी किसी ने देखा ना हो ऐसा. So that forest was having so many exotic plants and flowers that Sinbad got confused कि मैं शुरू कहाँ से करूँ, मैं क्या देखूँ, क्या लूँ उसमें से. He went to the nearest flower and smelled it. Phew! It is such a pretty flower, but it smells so bad. Oh, look at that one, right? He went to a flower. He goes to the flower and he smells it, and it was awful. It was very bad. So he speaks this word, phew. It is such a pretty flower, but it smells so bad. कितनी गंदी बास आ रही है. Oh, look at that one. He went to the another plant and plucked its leaf. I wonder what it tastes like, he said to himself. He bit the leaf gingerly. Gingerly माने बहुत carefully, छोटा सा portion बहुत carefully. Wow, I am definitely taking this back, he said. After some time in the forest, he realized that something was off, right? So he was wandering in the forest, and then he smelled one flower and he tasted one of the leaf. The leaf had a good taste, so he carried that leaf back to his crew members. When he was just roaming in the forest, he realized something. The forest is awfully quiet. Where are the birds and animals? He realized that it was getting late, so he made his way back to the sailors. Right? He thought that कि यहाँ पे birds और animals कोई भी है ही नहीं, because it is very very calm and quiet. There is nobody to make sure and nobody to chirping या कुछ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा था. फॉरेस्ट में जब आप जाओ, you at least get to hear the birds noise, the animals noise, and rustling of the leaves and all. So this man realized that there were no animals on that island. But as it was going to get late, he thought कि उसके बारे में बाद में सोचेंगे. Let us move back to my team. Right? चलिए, third paragraph. After collecting the firewood, the sailors made a camp. They arranged the firewood and sat around it. Sinbad returned with his herbs, looking pleased as Punch. He told them to lit a fire. Little did that they know that they were kicking a hornet's nest. As soon as they lit the fire, the island began to shake, right? उसने firewood collect किया, and then he went back to his crew members and they started making preparations for making food. तो food बनाने के लिए the first thing they would need would be fire. So they lit a fire and they started making the food. Soon they realized, जब जैसे ही उन्होंने fire lit किया, the island began to shake. It started shaking. हिलना शुरू कर दिया, shake करना शुरू कर दिया. The men on the island thought that it was an earthquake. All of a sudden, the sailors on the ship started shouting, "Run for your lives! Get back to the ship!" Sinbad thought that they had lost their minds. Right? जो शिप में बैठे हुए थे, बोट में बैठे ऊपर बैठे जो हुए थे बड़ी वाली शिप में, they started shouting when the shaking happened. जब ये आइलैंड हिलने लगा, शेक करने लगा, these people started shouting, "Come back! Run for your lives! Go to the ship!" So the people, crew member जो सिंबाद के साथ थे, they felt कि ये क्यों ऐसे पागलपन जैसे चिल्ला रहे हैं, right? Sinbad thought that they had lost their minds. Then he noticed that the island was moving. The waves were getting bigger. The ship was also moving away from the island. Right? So as you can see, this जैसे जैसे आइलैंड हिल रहा था, वेव्स बड़ी होती जा रही थी, शिप भी दूर फेंकाता जा रहा था, दूर जाता जा रहा था. Right? So he noticed that he was at his wits end. Now what is wits end? बुद्धि काम करना जब बंद कर देती है. See, these are all idioms. I'll be explaining you in the next video that what is idiom and why are we using it. So he lost it all. He was at his wits end. माने he forgot everything. उसको कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या करूँ. Not knowing what to do, he ran for dear life. Right? He was running when he remembered the boat. He called the other sailor. So when he was running, he suddenly उसको याद आया कि भाई हमारे पास तो बोट है. So he started shouting to his crew members that, "Come on, run for your lives, go to the boat." चलो बोट पे चढ़ जाते हैं. Once they were in the safety of the boat, they saw that the island was not an island at all. It was a giant fish. Can you see this? God, कितना डर लगता है कि अपने को लगे कि यार हम फिश के ऊपर आके बैठे हुए हैं. They all watched bug-eyed as the fish started flapping its fins. Flapping माने ऐसे ऐसे करके जो मूविंग अप एंड डाउन करती है ना, द वे फिश स्विम्स. तो शी स्टार्टेड फ्लैपिंग इट्स फिन्स एंड दैट इट मेक पानी में ये मूवमेंट आ रही थी. एंड दे ऑल वॉच विद बग आइड माने आंखें बड़ी करके ये देख ही रहे थे कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. Its fins were making huge waves. It raised its tail and dove underwater. Dove underwater वो पानी में अंदर चली गई. The sailors could not believe their eyes. Sinbad remarked, "It must be sleeping earlier. We were all on its back and somehow we woke it up." Right? Once they were in their senses, जब वो लोग वापस अपने सेंसेस में आए, they realized कि हमने क्या किया होगा, what might have happened. That जब हम लोग ऊपर चढ़े, that time ship was fish was sleeping, but because as for the food, as they lit the fire, it woke up. Right? Last part of the chapter. As the giant fish dove, it made a huge whirlpool. The sailors rowed with all their might to get away from it. Some of them even used their hands and arms as oar, right? When she doved inside, when she flipped inside, पानी में जब वो गई तब पानी में एक बड़ा सा वेव करती गई ऐसे ऐसे गोल वाला, right? That is known as whirlpool, right? So to come out of that whirlpool position, these sailors, these crew members tried very hard. They even started moving the boat with their hands using as oars. उनके पास oars तो दो ही होते. Oars is this. What is oars? OARS, oars, right? So instead of that, they started moving their hands. उनके हाथ को use करने लगे. They wanted to get back to the safety of the ship, but sadly, the ship was nowhere to be seen. It had steered away from them. The sailors in the ship were so terrified of the giant fish that they had left their men behind. Sinbad and the other men had nowhere to go now. Right? They wanted to, obviously, they all जहाँ से आए थे वहीं जाना था. So they wanted to go back to their ship, but to their surprise, that the ship or the people inside the ship were so terrified माने डर गए थे. They were so terrified कि उन्होंने अपने साथीदारों की राह देखी नहीं, and they went with the ship away from this island. Right? Now यहाँ पे जो लोग थे, सिंबाद एंड जो उसके लोग थे, उसके जो आदमी लोग थे, they had no place to go. अब क्या करें? Right? The next morning, Sinbad spotted a ship sailing in the distance. He yelled, "Help! Help!" The rest of the men tried to signal the ship for help. Some of them were waving their arms and some were waving their jackets like flags, right? Once you see the ship which is very far away, आप दरिया में कितना भी चिल्लाओ, it is mostly not audible to the other side because of the sound of wind, right? हवा इतनी ज़ोर से चल रही होती है ship middle of the sea में, that one is hardly noise is very much not audible generally, जैसे हमको होता है वैसे. So what they did, they started waving their hands, ऐसे ऐसे हाथ हिलाने लगे. They started moving this jackets, फ्लैग के तरह जैकेट्स के सब. किसी को इशारा कैसे हम करते हैं कि हम हमारी तरफ देखो, हमको देखो, वैसे they started doing these things. However, the ship's crew did not notice them. Then Sinbad pulled out his new shining sword. What is sword? SWORD, sorry. Sword is talwar, right? So Sinbad pulled out his new shining sword. He used it like a mirror and shone it in the direction of the ship. At last, the ship's crew noticed them and pulled them aboard. As I told you yesterday, that ये जो मिरर था वो कैसे फॉर्म होता हम भी करते हैं, पता है, सूरज के डायरेक्शन में. इफ़ यू आर कीपिंग योर वॉच और समथिंग विच इज़ हैविंग अ मिरर पोर्शन, तो उसको फिर ऐसे ऐसे करके हम सूरज की डायरेक्शंस के थ्रू शेडो बना सकते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाट सिनबाद डिड, एंड इट dragged the attention of the people who were in the ship. At last, the ship's crew noticed them and pulled them aboard. तो वहाँ पे लास्ट में उन्होंने नोटिस किया और उनको ऊपर ले लिया. ही पुल्ड देम इन द शिप. चलिए, सो दिस वॉज एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर. A story of a person named Sinbad who goes to find out lands and treasures. After 7 days and 7 nights of continuous traveling, they could not find any treasure or any land. On that afternoon, one of his crew members उसने चिल्लाया, ahoy, land! So they all went to their land. They anchored their ship. Some of the crew members, along with Sinbad, went to the island with the help of the boat, and rest of the people chose to be on the ship. As they went, they saw that it was a very rare island, जहाँ पे फ्लावर्स लोगों से बड़े थे, ट्रीज़ के लीव्स थे वो पर्पल और येलो कलर के थे, and there were no birds or animals in the whole forest. Being hungry, they started making food. इतने में the land started shaking. The members on the ship started shouting, run for your life, run for your life. And even these people जो island में थे वो भी दौड़ने लगे. They went to the boat, and then they saw that actually this island, the strange island, was not an island. It was a big fish. And because when they lit the fire, उन्होंने fish को जगा दिया जो सो रही थी. That big fish made a whirlpool in the ocean and dove inside. नीचे अंदर चली गई. They survived, but then on the next day, next morning, they saw a ship sailing. So they wanted to call them out. They tried their way out. Some of them shouted, some of them showed their hands, some of them showed their jackets. But Sinbad, who was very clever in all these three situations, he took out his sword and reflected that towards the ship. In this way, using his wit, using his smartness, उसने सभी situations में अपना और अपने साथीदारों का ध्यान रख लिया. Right? चलिए, this was the end of this chapter. I hope you understood this chapter. If any queries, please give me a call. Right? Now, today's homework would be write word meanings in notebook. I repeat, write word meanings of chapter number 8 in notebook. Is it clear? Okay. Chaliye, till we meet tomorrow. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.